This weekend's video is brought to you from Locust Gap, famous Redding in Pennsylvania, our home park, I guess you would say. This week we've got Mike Abate, Jimmy, Old Man Buggy Johnny with us, and also we have a new person as well. We have Carol Lipinski with us. He's actually in a buggy that was familiar on the channel a couple of times between competing and other videos. It was Jason Lee Mundy's old rig, so it's back at Fro for the day. So we are gonna see what we get into. Huge shout out to Mike Abate for making these signs. And as you can tell, there's actually traffic here. It's actually a ride going on, but that won't affect us. But here we are in the parking lot staging area. As you can see, it's packed, which is great to see. And let's go see what we get into. If you guys are enjoying this content, please hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend. It helps more than you know, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of the video.
over. Probably over there where he was.
Thanks to this cameraman for taking the camera. This is Jimmy that's filming. I appreciate it. I never really get much of me, so I really appreciate the help there.
He bumped into that tree and it's partially dead and all the shit started. That's okay, I did it too.
No, it's no, my knee is like acting up again.
It's okay if you put it down, he'll stomp it out.
Well, yeah, I know that. Ow. How do I stop this? Or should I keep recording till you fall?
So we are on, yeah, right through this crack, try it. So we are on Thistle Dew or Devil's Playground. As you can tell, it's really big. I got all boogered up in here. Like there's a person for perspective. Hopefully you can hear me better. I bought a mic. So hopefully the audio is better. Where's Jimmy at? Let's go see what Jimmy's getting into. Jimmy's picking his way through the low side. Down there, if you could see him. So we are still on Thistle Dew. Today is pretty packed because they're having a fro ride day for the power sports guys. But yeah, this is one of my favorite trails, if not the favorite trail over at Locust Gap. So how this trail works too, if you see the Yoda back there, he has 37 Maxxis creepy crawlers, and he was able to follow along. I made it so there's technically a black blue, then a black, and then an extreme red, and then an even crazier red. So there's a bunch of options for everybody on this trail. The traction is really good here. That's what helps. But old man Buggy Johnny's up. Let's see how he gets down. This is his first trip to fro with the Lord's tire, the Super Swamper Sticky. He had SX2s, I think, before this. It did pretty good, but now he has Stickies, and that's gonna make a game changer. You walked it! Let me get out of the way. He's coming with a mission. This buggy's got a Ford 302 in it. I think a C6 trans, Dana 60, and I'm not sure what the rear is. There, Joe. Yeah, until you get to that tree in front of you. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Perfect. Sticky life, John. You're golden. Start steering passenger. That poor tree is not going to last much longer. He's getting it.